GKS Global Korea Scholarship is one of the most prestigious fully funded scholarships in the world, which aims to build cultural bridges between South Korea and other nations and to promote international education and mutual friendship. This fully funded scholarship by South Korean government not only just covers your tuition fee, but it also covers your monthly stipend, your health insurance, and your airfare. Under the GKS scholarship, every year more than 1,400 students are selected for bachelor's, master's, and PhD programs. And guess what? GKS scholarship is also available for Pakistan. So in today's video, let's meet and have an interview with the GKS alumni and current scholarship holders who are living in South Korea under GKS scholarship.
Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Myra Abrar from Digicon, Pakistan, and currently I'm living in Seoul, South Korea.
My name is Mohammad Taqi. I am from Pakistan. My hometown is Hunza Valley. Currently, I am living in Suwon city.
I'm Umair Shibir. I'm from Dobatekin city, Punjab province, Pakistan. Currently, I'm living in Chuncheon city, Gangwon-do, South Korea.
I'm Irfan Haider from Skardu, Pakistan, and currently I'm living in Seoul, South Korea.
My name is Zahid Hussain and I'm from Skardu in northern Pakistan. Currently I'm living in Seoul, South Korea.
My name is Aliza Khan. I'm from Islamabad, Pakistan, and I'm currently living in Daegu, South Korea.
I'm Majid Mushtaq from Lahore, Pakistan, and currently I'm living in Seoul, South Korea.
I joined GKS batch from 2015 and I did my PhD in finance from Konkuk University, Seoul.
I came to Korea in 2010. I got admission in Yonsei University at the Department of Electrical and Electronics Engineering.
I'm a 2019 GKS and it's almost 2.5 years I'm living here in South Korea.
I did my bachelor's in business administration from Seoul National University.
I came in 2008, I think, to Korea University. I studied electrical engineering for 4 years.
I am a GKS 2021 undergraduate scholar, and I've currently been living in South Korea for about 11 months.
I'm a GKS alumnus of 2015 batch. I did my master's in industrial and management engineering from Hanguk University of Foreign Studies.
I had great experience to learn, enjoy, and grow my career.
It has been a life-changing experience for me.
I got a lot of privileges, experiences, and positive surprises.
I believe that it is one of the best decisions I made in my life.
It was a great experience, from the study perspective, from the friendships perspective, from the learning perspective.
It has been one of the most exciting times of my life.
For me, GK scholarship program was a life-changing experience. Because of this program, I was able to receive Seoul honorary citizenship. I was able to travel all over South Korea. I was able to learn Korean language.
For me, the most memorable moment is our first OT meeting at NIID office that we had right after first week when we arrived in Korea in 2015.
Best memory in the GKS scholar is the time when we were in the Korean language school. I think it was the best time.
I can say that the best thing about GKS is learning Korean language, where students all around the world mingle together to not only learn about Korean language and culture, but also those students have the chance to learn about different other cultures and traditions from their fellows.
Best memory I had as a GKS student or alumni was we went to this island in Korea called Jeju Island. It's very beautiful, and all my language colleagues from 7 different countries, we spent three nights there.
Well, the best memory that I had as a GKS was, GKS team has a year-end party every year. NIID organizes it, and the first year-end party that we participated, we had an amazing performance with the GKS students from Sun Moon University when we were studying language.
For the past 11 months that I've spent here, I've had quite a few moments that I think I'll remember for a very long time. But I think the simplest ones are the ones that are more important to me. For example, going on walks with my friends or traveling to another city with them.
My best memory of GKS program was in 2018 when I gave the graduation speech in front of all the GKS alumni and scholars during the GKS graduation party. Before we go any further, let us also explain to you what exactly the GKS scholarship is and how you can also apply for GKS scholarship to study in Korea for free. For undergraduate programs, GKS scholarship is announced in the months of September or October, and for Masters and PhD program, the scholarship is announced in the month of February or March. Once the scholarship is announced globally, you can find all the information on the official website of NIIED and also on the official website of Embassy of Republic of Korea in Pakistan. On the embassy's notice page, you can find all the relevant information including the application guidelines, FAQ and the application form.
For me, I think that the best thing about studying in Korea is that you got opportunity to learn practical knowledge.
Korea is quite competitive, so this kind of environment encourages you to study or work harder.
There are several government organizations that are taking foreigners to those hundreds of tourist destinations for free and letting them to explore South Korea.
It's a highly competitive society that kind of encourages you to work harder.
Korea is a very globalized place now, so if you are studying in Korea, you can not only experience Korean culture but cultures from all over the world. You can meet people from all over the world, make amazing friends.
I would highly recommend coming to South Korea because you not only get to see things that are different from our culture, but there's a lot more to experience as well.
These days, we are all living in a K world. From global sensation BTS to Netflix's biggest ever show, Squid Game, the whole world is talking about South Korea. So yes, it's a perfect chance, perfect opportunity for you to come and study in South Korea and also get to explore so many cultures because so many nations are currently living here.
There is nothing that I don't like about Korea, but I feel that to obtain PR in Korea is a little bit difficult as compared to the other countries.
It might not have the brand image or the reach that the Western or let's say English speaking countries have, but once you come here, I would say for sure that you would fall in love with the culture.
The biggest problem for me living in Korea in the beginning was the difference in the food culture. You know, I came from a Muslim background from Pakistan, and we eat halal food, but in Korea at that time it wasn't easy to get access to halal food. That was the hardest thing for me.
Okay, well, the only thing that I didn't like about living in Korea is that you fall in love with this country so much that it is so hard to leave this country.
The students who want to apply for GKS scholarship, I would recommend them not just to focus on their grades for merit, but also enhance their research and practical work if they want to avail GKS scholarship.
I would highly recommend to include all the extracurricular activities or social activities or volunteering activities.
I would highly recommend my Pakistani fellows to apply for GKS scholarship, and for that you guys have to think out of the box.
Please do in-depth research on the university and the department that you are planning to apply, and reach out to fellow GKS alumni or students who are currently studying here because they would be able to help you much better.
GKS has a very detailed guideline on NIIED's official website, so you can get all the details. But the tip that I would give you is please do not wait till the last minute. Start preparing well in time. Make all the documents, make yourself ready. Not only your documents, but yourself needs to be ready to apply for GKS. So please take some time.
One thing that I would say is that your essays are one of the most important parts of your application. Therefore, it's important that you compose them properly and you showcase who you are, your identity, your skills, and your achievements through them.
Well, my only tip for all of you guys if you are applying for GKS scholarship is that start learning Korean language as soon as possible. You can learn Korean language from various websites and through various apps, and honestly, if you have a Korean language certificate, it will make your application stand out while you apply for GKS scholarship.
I love Korean culture and society, so in long term I want to settle down in Korea so that I can participate in bilateral relationship development between Pakistan and Korea.
My future goal is to become a semiconductor expert, and as you all know, Korea is a leading company in semiconductor industry, so I think it's a best place to be.
GKS has empowered me a lot. I'm very thankful to Korea for that, and that had made me think of bigger plans. Right now I'm running my startup. In future I want to be in politics to play a bigger role in connecting Korea and Pakistan together.
Well, my first goal is to teach Korean language through my YouTube channel and help at least 100,000 students in Pakistan to learn Korean language for free. Not only that, I would love to meet BTS and be the first Pakistani to interview them and tell them about the BTS fandom, BTS army in Pakistan. At the end, I really hope that all of you can come to South Korea to study or at least to visit this beautiful country, and I'm sure just like me, all of you will fall in love with South Korea also. So yeah, I really hope to see you guys in South Korea.
Pakistan Zindabad, Korea Paindabad.
Pakistan Zindabad, Korea Paindabad.
Pakistan Zindabad, Korea Paindabad.
Pakistan Zindabad, South Korea Paindabad.